Hi guys, Russ here from Wilson Lane Cattle Company. Today we're in the shop. We're going to work on a chainsaw. I want to switch the sprocket out on the chainsaw, and I also have some string tangled up down here on my chain. Some baler twine from round bales. And you know how that stuff is. It gets all over everything. But I just wanted to show you how to take the clutch off a chainsaw. I already have the bar and chain off. First thing we need to do is we need to get to the spark plug. I already have the top taken loose. Just need an Allen wrench to get that off. And then take the spark plug out. And then what we need to do is stick a piece of string or a piece of rope down in the cylinder head. Okay, and we come over here to our clutch. And the clutch is left-handed threads, so we need to turn it backwards. So we're just taking oh buddy, I'll tell you what, that's on there pretty good. So I'm gonna go grab a different hammer. Okay, I'm gonna use an impact wrench. Boy, that come off hard. See here, she was full of baler twine. Made her where she didn't want to start. Ay, ay, ay. Just has a 7-tooth sprocket on it. I wanted to put a 10 or an 8-tooth sprocket on it because I like a little bit of faster cut and saw. So I'll put that on there. Just put this back together like that. And this goes in here like this. There's a big old spring on there. Actually, that won't work. Back again, Toby, huh? Are you back again? Sometimes it would help to have more than 2 hands. I think we got it. I hope we got it. Whew, that was a tough one. Got it open here. I'm gonna blow the filter out. It's actually not too bad, so I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna put a different spark plug in it. I like to run the NGK plugs. That's not an NGK plug. And while we're here, we'll check the spark on it. Make sure she's sparking good. And I don't see any spark. Yeah, it's sparking. Stick the plug back in it. Just like that. And put our top on. And as with everything, you want to get your bolts all started before you tighten them down. Grease the clutch. I'll show you how to do that. Some folks don't know. There's that needle bearings inside here that ride on your drum here. Just give it a couple pumps. Yeah, I can feel the grease in there now. Put her all back together and call it good. This saw here came without an outside spike on it, so I took one off an old chainsaw that I blew up and put on there. There, that's pretty good. A little toe tight. That's pretty good there. Tighten her down. Pick up on your chain whenever you tighten it down too. Or pick up on your bar. Okay, there it is. Got her back together. Okay guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. That was changing a sprocket on a Husqvarna chainsaw or a Husqvarna chainsaw. Stills are pretty similar. We switched this out from a 7-tooth to an 8-tooth. I want to see how good it does. And please subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend, hit that notification bell. We'll talk to you on the next one. So long.